National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County in southeast Ohio, northern Morgan County in southeast Ohio, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:47 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near New Lexington, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Somerset, Shawnee, New Lexington, Perry State Forest, McConnellsville. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Affecting the lower Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region.